British poet W.H. Auden once noted, "Thousands have lived without love, not one without water." Some 80% of the world's wastewater is dumped, largely untreated, back into the environment, polluting rivers, lakes, and oceans.
Unsafe water kills more people every year than war or any violence combined. So cleaning wastewater is crucially important, and this is what we do. We didn't invent anything new. All we have done, we upgraded the old. Just like the landline evolved into the smartphone, we have upgraded our system too. It became convenient, simple, and affordable for everyone. And what's most important is even more environmentally friendly.
Established in 2008, LZT Group is the ultimate one-stop shop for wastewater treatment. 13 years ago, the company had the goal to become a market leader who would one day set the standards for the whole wastewater treatment industry, including manufacturing and services.
Fast forward to today, LZT Group is already recognized as one of the industry leaders, offering the complete consulting, manufacturing, selling, installation, and maintenance services for wastewater treatment. The Research and Development Department are working tirelessly, looking for innovations, making the technology even better. The modern manufacturing technology which we use guarantees that all wastewater treatment plants meet the highest European standards, are easy to use, and ensures that after the biological treating process, the water can be discharged into the ground or open water without harming the ecosystem. We sell and install our products even in the most remote or unusual locations, including countries where ecology is the top priority. It's so simple today. Your house might be very remote, but it can still possess all the comforts that a house in the city has: electricity, water, and wastewater treatment. Qualified consultants are always ready to give fast responses to requests, offer professional support, outstanding products, and find the best solution for every client, from single houses, residential neighborhoods, and companies to small cities.
Wastewater treatment plant is built only once, so it is crucial to select its location strategically and carefully so there wouldn't be any obstacles in the future projects.
Installation is as important as choosing the right wastewater treatment plant. Qualified and experienced wastewater treatment plant installers implement different installation techniques, ensuring proper water drainage even when challenged by the most severe soil conditions.
Our maintenance service team regularly inspects our clients' wastewater treatment plants to optimize their performance. From the very beginning to the end, we ensure that the wastewater treatment wouldn't cause any problems throughout the whole process.
Life needs to be easy and fun. Therefore, a thing as common as sewage shouldn't complicate people's lives.
Our goal is to bring new wastewater treating technologies into the United States and finally replace old polluting systems into the new way of treating sewages. Secondly, to gather qualified specialists who will know how properly select the right wastewater treatment plant and to look after proper installation. And finally, to have a professional service team who would take care of the wastewater treatment plant while people use them.
Establishing this advanced technology and providing a full range of services is the solution to deal with wastewater easy, smart, and ecological.